Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
Very honestly, I was aware of stem cell banking and cord cell banking as a development, probably out of my sheer interest in the medical field. Most of my friends are doctors, and I have been aware of this existing in the world way before I even got married, actually. And it was always I was always fascinated by it. I think any research and development in general, let alone in science and healthcare, has always been of interest for me. As I think any expectant parent will share, that during that period, you just kind of you think that you possibly can hope and plan for a lot of things, and time flies by you, and there are lots of important personal decisions that a couple takes at that point in time. And like I said, at that point in time as well, we were contacted by a couple of companies, to be fair, but it's just that I think closer to the date, we had interacted extensively with LifeCell, and like I shared with you, and you have experienced, Mayur can be very charming, and at the same time, very detailed. He educates you on everything that there is to offer. We as parents will, as any expectant parent will, you actually research all that you have to, because it's a very important personal decision that you make. And once we were convinced, which was actually fairly smooth and easy. Just before we revealed the ad film to you all, that this was a very recent association. We've just come together, and you all have just met me at other press conferences. It has been a very, very busy time professionally, and with a lot of advertising and promotional work. So with this new association, we will plan our campaign ahead. For me, I'm thankful, I'm very grateful. I think change is the only constant in life in any way. And, every experience definitely contributes to change, growth, making you probably and hopefully an even better human being. And this certainly is, well, the simplest word I can always use is becoming a mother has been an absolute blessing, and I completely cherish this gift from God, and I'm so, so thankful for it.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.